Hello YouTubers, in this video I would like to make a quick review of the Govee leak detection system. So the kit comes with 3 sensors like this and a gateway like this. So the sensors connect to the gateway, and then gateway connects to your phone. It sends your push notification, sends your emails, and also this has quite a loud alarm itself. So you can see those 2 shiny spots. So this is designed to make a noise if the water is dripping from the, and also it has 1, 2, 3, 4 metal legs on the bottom. So if the water is coming from the bottom, basically on the floor, it will start beeping too. So I will drop this in the water right now. So I got it out of the water and it stopped beeping, but there's also silent button on the top. So that's how it acts. So now if we look at the app interface, you can see I have 3 sensors, one at the gray water system, one in the dishwasher, and one in the basement and bathroom. So if we come here, we can see that just 3 minutes ago there was leak alert, and we can acknowledge it by clicking got it. And also if we check emails, there will be another leak alert in the inbox in the email. So right now one of the sensors is placed in a gray water recycling system catch train, and if there is leak, anything dropping from the top, or there is water in a tray itself, it will send alarm. In general, it was quite easy to set up. It's quite loud, so honestly I would give it 5 out of 5 rating. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a sunny day.